All right, so we got a new popcorn maker to share today. Now this one's kind of cool because it also has trays for each individual person. So you got 4 trays on this one, and it's gonna pop popcorn into each one, and everybody can just grab a tray and go sit down with it. It has a pretty large chamber on the inside to drop your popcorn into. And this one's rated at 1200 watts with a 120 volt cord. And we have our easy on off switch right here in the front. We are gonna wanna put our trays back on. We're going to flip this upside down, that way it is directing the popcorn into the trays. We got our little lid here. Let's go ahead and get some popcorn going. My daughters are obsessed with popcorn, so we seem to have it every single day just about. Put your lid on, fire it up, and we'll see how well or how quick it pops. This one actually puts out a decent amount of air and heat. Whoa, we got stuff flying everywhere. Now I will say this one's actually a little messy. I got popcorn flying everywhere. All right, so that will be the first batch. This was with 1 scoop. And we did have a couple that flew out on the sides. Now a few kernels did not pop, but I noticed that this batch, there's always a few that don't, and no matter which one I use. Now, I wouldn't call this completely mess-free. It did shoot out a few little pieces, but not too bad compared to some of them. But now each person can take a tray and you can go back and watch your movie and stuff. You could also do another scoop if you want to fill them up a bit more. But if you're looking for a popcorn popper that has individual trays and it pops pretty quickly, hopefully this gives you a good idea what to expect with this one. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.